An interview with Logan.
Hi, Logan. Good to meet you. You're a great rugby player. Can I ask you some questions?
Yes, of course.
Now, tell me, where exactly do you come from?
From Perth, Australia.
Ah, yes, I know Perth. It's a lovely city. And do you like living here in Newcastle?
I do. I love the countryside, and the beaches are beautiful. But not like in Australia.
Yeah, sorry about that. The sea's really cold here. And where do you live in Newcastle?
I live near the sports ground. I have a flat with another player on the team, Tony Jones.
Great. It's nice to share with a friend. I know you work hard for your sport. How often do you train?
We train every day, all day.
And do you always train at the sports ground?
No, we don't. We often get out of the city. We go running or cycling in the countryside.
Or on the beach?
Yeah, we sometimes run there, but I don't go swimming. Tony does, but then he's a Newcastle boy.
I see. And what do you and Tony do on Fridays, before Saturday's match? Go to the pub?
Of course not. Tony always cooks a huge meal for us. He's a great cook. We have chicken, rice, vegetables, stuff like that. No beer. That's for after the match.
And do you relax on Sundays?
Oh, yes. It's our day off. We don't do much at all. Just watch TV. Sport, of course.
Just rugby, or do you like any other sports?
Not always rugby. I like watching skiing and football too. I'm a Newcastle United fan now.
Good for you. Last question, Logan. Do you miss your family in Perth?
Of course. But I Skype them every Sunday evening. They love to hear my news, and I love to hear theirs. They want me to play rugby for Australia one day.
I'm sure they do, and I'm sure you will one day. Great to talk to you. Thanks very much.
My pleasure.